What is information? Information refers to processed or organized data that is meaningful and useful. It is the result of analyzing and interpreting data to extract insights, meaning, and context. Information provides knowledge and understanding that can be used for decision-making, problem-solving, or communication. On the other hand, data refers to raw and unprocessed facts, figures, symbols, or observations. It represents individual elements or discrete pieces of information. Data by itself may lack structure or context and does not inherently convey any meaning or significance. Differentiate between data and information. 1. Meaning and context. Information carries meaning and context, whereas data is raw and lacks meaning without interpretation or analysis. Data can be considered as building blocks, while information is the result of assembling and organizing those blocks into a meaningful form. 2. Purpose and use. Information is intended to be used for decision-making, understanding, and communication. It provides insights and knowledge that can be applied to specific situations. Data, on the other hand, is primarily used as input for generating information. It is the raw material that is processed to derive meaningful information. 3. Structure and organization. Information is typically organized, structured, and presented in a way that is easier to understand and use. It often involves summarizing and condensing relevant data to convey a message or answer a specific question. Data, however, can be unstructured and may require processing or analysis to extract meaningful patterns or relationships. 4. Subjectivity and interpretation. Information can involve subjective elements as it incorporates interpretation and analysis. Different interpretations of the same data can lead to different information being derived. Data, on the other hand, is objective and independent of any interpretation until it is processed to generate information. In summary, data is the raw material, while information is the processed and meaningful output obtained from analyzing and interpreting that data. Information provides knowledge and understanding, enabling decision-making and communication, whereas data by itself lacks context and meaning.